sure. Just be careful going too far.
Thank you.
Well, Hunter, he'll tell you what he wants to do.
I'm gonna have you take like.
There he goes.
Low, super low, low. Don't reel on him yet, like go on the reel. Low with the rod, lower. Yep. You always want to keep that rod super low. Okay, start reeling a little bit. Okay, right. A little more. Okay, give me a lift up. Rod. Nice job.
That's a pretty fish.
Yeah, it is.
Fat ones. Whoa! He came and gave me a kiss. He's a good one. Oh. Who's got that one? Digging right in, isn't he? There you got it. That's a nice fish. That's a big one. Uh-oh. I think there was a bump there. That's just weird.
Nice and easy.
Down there by that guy.
Yeah, that's all right. Kind of reel on him a little bit.
Oh, come off. Damn it, that's 3 I've lost. That ain't good. Sucks. Oh no! No! I seen her all now. I think I even got most of that on film. That thing was bent like a corkscrew.
On my legs, so Caden's rod was over my head, and they dropped his rod. The fish was taken off of the rod. Dove in the water after the rod.
I think I got it. I don't know. Let's see what the thing says.
I didn't let that thing go.
Oh.
Come on.
That was freaking.
That was the best.
We made some good food. We made some fish tacos last night.
Jeez. I hope that's on there. I don't know if it is or not.
I just do. God, that's
That was fun. That looked like a corkscrew that was going around your dad.
What a great spot, though.
Oh, right there. I'm going to build a house right there. He's got it fenced in, all ready to go for my foundation. Oh, that was so damn much fun. A lot of fish, 16 damn fish. Son of a bitch. And some of them were going, and I knew they were never going to stop. Never going to stop. They just were motoring down that creek. Thank you, guys.
No, thank you.
Oh, man. What was he calling me? I got to go with that name.
Oh,
it was a
Heath.
thing?
Heath.
Heath.
Yeah.
Heath! I couldn't figure out who he's hollering for. I looked down the river several times. Nobody was watching.
Think about it. We wouldn't even be at this corner yet.
Banana?
Yeah, there's the banana.
There's the banana!
Water. Shit. Water.
I'll take it.
God, I'm nice and dry today. It feels good.
Yeah, right? That's a new experience.
It
for you.
is, yeah, my feet, you know, I don't even feel it sweating yet.
So,
He's soaked. He took on my roll.
yeah, my right foot. It's still water in there. Yeah, me too, Kate.
Yeah, pretty good day. My God.
Oh, gosh.
Can't wait to show Nancy. She's gonna love that.